Welcome back, guys. So now I've got a review on a very expensive skillet. It's the Falk 11-inch Signature Series skillet, not a saute pan. There it comes with a cast iron handle or a Signature Series handle, which I believe is stainless steel. I got the Signature Series just to help with the heat transfer and also the rusting, because there has been a little bit of complaints of rusting with the cast iron handle. So I guess with that said, let's go get it unboxed and see how it is. Alright guys, so sorry for the awkward having to unbox this, because my normal setup, the box would have been like that far from the camera. We can't have that. So it is important I get this shot for you guys to hear my expression, because I'm pretty excited about this. So let's go get this unboxed. Again, this is the 11-inch Falk skillet. It's not a saute pan, it's just a skillet. It cost me $309 for tax. After the effects 2-day shipping, it came to $340 something. And signature is required, just to hit up you do the FedEx one. Wow, that is really nice. I'm gonna throw in some shots right now. That is really nice. It's really heavy. It has a matte interior that is got condensation on it, because it literally just got your FedEx truck, and it's the middle of at the beginning of April. It is 2.3 millimeter thick copper, has 0.2 millimeters of stainless steel liner. It's not tin. It is riveted, of course, which the small those rivets are, I don't think they'll be that big of an issue to clean. As I said, I'm gonna get my skill. Be back in a second. Alright guys, so here is it on the scale. You guys can't see that. Let's get that off. Okay, I'm getting 2402 for grams, 2406. So 2406 is what I'm getting, which is equivalent to 5 pounds, 4.9 ounces. 4.8 depending on if I move it up on the scale, which gives an inaccurate reading. As far as dimensions of it, working area in the pan, we are going to have, this is why I chose this, about 9.5 inches of working area in the pan. Diameter of the pan is, it's like 11 3/8 from lip to lip. Overall length is about 19 5/8 inches. As far as reason why I chose this over like the Inyo Kuvri, or I said that wrong, I'm sorry, the Maviel, or all the other copper pans, is because of the straight edges. On my carbon steel skillets, this is my Mineral B. It has that flared edge, which you lose a lot of working space to that. And honestly, I've just been getting kind of tired of not having enough room in my pan. So being Falk, this is $309 for the equivalent, and Deboulier and Maviel, $350, up to about $600 right now for the Kuvre, which is nice, but it has a flared edge on the Deboulier. The Maviel is nice, but there's a lot of issues with the handle themselves getting really hot. As far as the balance between the pan and the handle, honestly, it feels really nice. It just feels like a really nice high quality pan. Warpage seems pretty flat. I do notice a little bit of, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but there is just a little bit of teeter-totter action. I'm not gonna worry about that because this is gonna be on a gas stove top. So yeah, I guess with that said, that's my unboxing of the Falk 11-inch copper skillet. Next will be the review. So I guess if you got a question for me, put it in the comments. Enjoy to review or try, put it in the comments. With that said, thank you guys very much for watching. You have a great night.